Hi, third grade. Welcome to the escape room introduction video. So please make sure that you take some time to watch this once or twice to make sure that you understand how to get into the escape room and how you're going to move along through the escape room. So on Monday at 1 o'clock, actually before 1 o'clock, about 12:50 or 12:55, you're going to go to Google and you're going to go to your email. So you're going to click on the waffle and click on your Gmail, okay? From your Gmail, there will be an invitation right at the top from your teacher to get into the first room. When you get into that room, please make sure that your mics are muted. You are going to go through 3 total rooms to complete this escape room. At 1 o'clock, Mr. LeBlanc will start his first room. He will share his screen like you see here. This is not the one that you'll actually have. This is an example. But he will share his screen, and you are to figure out the math problems showing all your work, and then find the letter that corresponds with that math problem to get the code. Once you have a code that makes sense, you will hold up your paper to the camera and show your code to the teacher. The teacher will then give you the okay that you got it right, and then you will go back into your email again.
Once you are in your email, you are going to look for an email from Mr. LeBlanc with your next code for the next room. Once you see that email, you will click on the link. You will get to your next room. You will begin solving the problems. Again, it will be posted on your screen just like this. Show your work for your problems. Once you figured out your problems, you have your code. Again, hold it up to the camera just like you did before. Once Mrs. Berg this time, it gives you the A-OK, then you will leave again, go back to your email a third time, and now look for an email from Mrs. Berg to get into Mrs. Purbich's My Room. Once you get into My Room, again, you'll use the paper on the screen, you'll solve the problem showing your work, figure out the code, show it to me, and once you've completed that one, you have officially escaped and you are done.
So in summary, 3 total rooms. You'll be getting an email from us with a link to the next room. Make sure that you show your work and then show it to your computer screen. Be sure not to blurt out the answers because other people are trying to solve this as well. We want this to be fun for everybody.
Good luck.
See you Monday.
Good luck. Back on it here. We're back to give you a little bit of news. Make sure you bring some paper and pencil. That's very key, paper and pencil.